RhymeTime Kids.
A for apple, shiny and red. B for ball, it bounces ahead. C for cat, soft little friend. D for dog, with tail to bend. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish, it swims along. G for grapes, purple and sweet. H for hat, that we wear on our head and knee. I for ice cream, yummy to eat. J for juice, so cold and sweet. K for kite, flying high. L for lion, with a roar in the sky. M for monkey, jumping all day. N for nest, where the birds stay. O for orange, juicy delight. P for parrot, colorful and bright. Q for queen, wearing a crown. R for rabbit, hopping around. S for sun, shining so high. T for tree, reaching the sky. U for umbrella, in the rain. V for van, driving down the lane. W for watermelon, fresh and cool. X for xylophone, music in school. Y for yellow, happy and bright. Z for zebra, with stripes in sight. Now we've learned our ABC. Sing again with RhymeTime Kids and me.